Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be creating this beautiful Pinterest inspired makeup look so called Cherry Mocha Glam or something. Anyways, firstly I'm applying a foundation. Now applying a red lipstick under my eyes to color correct my under eyes, blending with a brush. Now blending the foundation. Like you can see, this is correctly my shade after mixing my two foundations like Mars and Blue Heaven. Anyways, I'm blending it really well. Also, I'm blending the color correction area and applying foundation, the same foundation on my eyes because I want to remove the redness. Now applying concealer high point of my face like a light fair shade concealer. And that is this concealer I always used to get the whitish shade on my high point of my face. Now blending it with a beauty blender also. Now I'm combing my eyebrows and applying kajal on my eyebrows. Now, I mean today I'm not going to use eyeshadow to fill my eyebrows, okay? Applying blush on my face like a W placement and also my nose, okay, like under of my nose. This is how I do it and smudging it with a other brush and also the beauty blender I used before to blend my foundation because it gets smudged really well. You can see it clearly. Now using a light pink shade on my eyes and blending it really well, like I also applying under of my eyes like a circular motion. Also next I'm using a orange shade eyeshadow on my inner corner and dragging it into outer corner, okay. Now I'm going to apply a red shimmer shade on my eyes. You can see I using it with a broken brush. That is how I'm using it. I just firstly thought apply it on my using my fingers, but I thought gave me really irritation, like because I like my hand is really sweaty hand, sorry. And yeah, next time lining my eyes like this. I just don't know how let you see it. I can't see it clearly. That is how I do it, looking at sidely, I mean the side, because I put a mirror on the side. Anyways, I really try hard to let you see how I do it. This is how my eyes turned out. Next, I'm drawing eyeshadow with a maroon shade eyeshadow, you can see, and applying the shimmer shade again and again to pop up it even more. You can see it. Anyways, I'm also using the shimmer shade outer and inner corner of my under of my eyes, okay. Yeah, you can see it clearly. This is how I do it, like exactly like the reference photo, even though it's not correctly like the reference photo. I try to do it, make it perfect. Next, I'm contouring my nose. You can see this is how I do my nose. I really do love my nowadays nose contouring. It's give me so many improvements for nose contour. Anyways, next I am using a light brown eyeshadow to contour my cheeks areas, also the area of my jawline. You can see this is how I do it, like blending and side of my tooth, side of my forehead. Now blending the eyeshadow area, I already apply, draw eyeshadow with a maroon shade, right? Now I'm using a white base shade on my eyeshadow. Now I am applying it both of my eyes, okay? And yeah, now I'm going to highlight my eyeshadow with a shimmer shade. Not a not using highlighter, but a shimmer light or whitish color of shimmer shade, okay. This is how it turned out. You can see my eyeglasses really popping up. And yeah, now I'm using a highlighter on my bridge of my nose and tip of my nose. Now I'm blending with my brush, also applying highlighter on my apple of my cheeks and dragging it upward and on my chin, okay. Now lining my lips with a red lipstick and applying a dark brown lipstick and blending it with a brush. Also, I am applying a red lipstick as you can see, and now curling my lashes, applying mascara. I really do love my eye look today. I just don't know, really happy for this. Anyways, applying mascara upper and lower of my lashes. And adding some molds on my face, like the reference photo. Anyways guys, that's all for today's my videos. If you do like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and tell me if I do it correctly or did something wrong. And yeah, don't forget to press the bell button, all that's may where you can get more of my videos, and like and comment and share the videos. And yeah, bye bye, that's all for today.